1980 पीटी उषा गोंयांत पयले फावट आयिल्ली. आता रील्स ऑन हिल्स फिल्म महोत्सवाच्या निमतान तिचो गोंय भेटीचो योग आयलो.
Comparatively in our time and now, the lot of changes are there. We can't compare with the Europe, but still lot of changes and lot of things are there. And I think we should concentrate more on grassroots level, then it will be good for to achieve.
I had been here in 1980s, and I don't know that I have to speak here. And when earlier we asked if there is no speech, they told me, so I don't know how to speak. But still, I started my sports career at the age of 13, and I have won 103 international medals and 800 meters, more than 800 national medals for the country. That also without any facilities like synthetic track I have seen in Moscow Olympics. Now every state and every district there is a synthetic track. We are hiring foreign coaches, physios, massages, and lot of facilities throughout year, coaching camps, good international standard of multi-gym, everything is here, exposure, everything is here. So see, without in my sports life I could achieve everything except the Olympic medal. Missed it by 1/100th of a second only because of lack of exposure. So now you all have the facilities and make use of it and do something for our country.
पीटी उषा जातात म्हटलें की 1980s आपण पयलीं आयिल्ली तेन्ना आपण परती आतां पावता. हेंच एक अचिवमेंट म्हाका दिसता की जे आमचे देशाक फॉरवर्ड करपी एथलीट्स हांची याद करप, तांकां परते आमचे गांवांत हाडप आनी भुरग्यांकूय थंय हाजीर करप. कित्याक भुरग्यांक हें इन्स्पिरेशन, एक फुडली पिळगी इन्स्पिरेशनान फुडें वचपाची गरज आहा. आनीक तिणें सांगलां ते भशेन तेन्ना कांयच फॅसिलिटी नाशिल्ल्यो, आतां सगळ्यो फॅसिलिटी आहा. अशें आसतना आमचो येदो व्हडलो देश जंय इतलो व्हडलो ह्युमन रिसोर्स पोटेन्शियल आसा, कित्याक आमचें पॉप्युलेशन इज नाव कन्सिडर्ड एज ह्युमन रिसोर्स पोटेन्शियल, इतलें आसून पसून आमकां ती मेडलां कित्याक मेळना, हे प्रश्नाचें उत्तर आमीच काडप.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.